we played against a good team which wasn't lucky enough to score, and we were lucky enough to score. So, and I expect a tough game tomorrow. Football is a funny sport. You need luck, and we were lucky in the first game. So we hope tomorrow to have the same luck. Maybe. I think it's 50-50. It's 50-50. We will see tomorrow. We'll see tomorrow evening.
Do you expect any surprises from Sheriffa?
I suppose they will change something, but we don't know what they will change because we don't know the team very well. But we know more today than we did 7 days ago.
How do you think, who is the main force of Sheriffa?
Those Brazilians are quite dangerous, but the other players also are good. So we hope they will not score too many goals.
I think that we have more chance because we have good results in first match. 1-0 is very good, and I think that we will be happy after match. Sheriffa is very good team, and Sheriffa has very good players, and will be a hard match tomorrow. But I think that we will be better in next match. Oh, Sheriffa is a good team in all players, but I think that it's very good players. It's right midfielder and left midfielder. This is two very good players.